Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to archive WhatsApp chat on iPhone. Archiving chat reduces interruption on WhatsApp. So to archive a chat, open up your WhatsApp application on your phone. Now tap on Chat. Hold and press on a chat you want to archive. Then tap on Archive. The chat will disappear and you should see a new section appear which is called Archive. Tap on it and you'll see the chat which you have archived. This chat will stay in the archive even when you receive a message. To disable that feature, you can go into Settings, Chat, scroll down and find Keep Chat Archived. Toggle this feature off. This way, when you get new messages, the chat will be removed from the archive section. And that is how to archive a WhatsApp chat on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.